Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Veeba's kitchen, and I believe you're all doing great. Today I'm back, and once again I want to share with you how to make this simple yet amazing carrot stew or tomatoless stew, and I hope you like it. Please, as always, stay tuned to the end and be inspired. Don't forget to like, share, comment on the video to support your girl. Yeah, without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. So here in the bowl, I've got my ginger, garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, red paprika, and my bell peppers. I'm going to wash and cut them nicely, and I'll be back soon. So here we are, and they've been nicely washed and cut. So in my next ingredients, I've got my carrots and celeries. And my next ingredients here is my all-purpose green marinade. Yeah. So next, I'll blend everything together until nice and smooth, with the exception of the green marinade. So I'm back and I'm pouring everything into my saucepan. Proceed to rinse the blender and add it back just like so. Ooh, so next lovelies, I'll then cover it up for it to cook until all the water dries out. This way, they will release their flavors together. And oh yeah, it's a great way of building up a nice flavor for my stew. Okay, so we are almost there. Gradually, the water is drying out and the house smells amazing. At this point, the heat is not too high, and clearly the water is about 95% dried out now. And that's what I'm looking for. So I'll then go ahead and add my cooking oil. Today I'm using Zomi palm oil. And Zomi palm oil is not just any ordinary palm oil. This is a flavorful palm oil. And I want to assume all Ghanaians know this, except you are not a Ghanaian. But now you know, right? So after adding the palm oil, I will then let it simmer for 5 minutes and then add my all-purpose green marinade to add more flavor to my sauce. Yeah. So as usual, I'll stir until well combined, and this is already amazing. After stirring, I'll leave it to simmer down for some time, and I'll come back periodically to stir and stir and stir until I realize that they've really released their flavors together. Okay, so about 5 minutes later, I am back and I'm adding my corned beef. You can add any protein of your choice. Okay, usually I would have preferred to add the corned beef to my cooking oil, fry for some time, and even season it before adding my vegetables. But because I'm making this stew kind of a revert form, that is why I'm adding the corned beef at this point. That's not a big deal, but that's what I would have done when making the stew the usual way. I hope you get it. So at this point, I'll let the stew really simmer down well to release their flavors together and until any funny smell from the corned beef is gone totally. But hey, my brand of corned beef smells amazing already, so I'm good to go, alright? 8 minutes later, I'm adding my shrimp tablet and homemade all-purpose seasoning. And then I'll give it a good stir until well combined. Ooh, I love the beautiful aroma. Once I'm done, I'll cover the stew up again for it to cook to perfection. 10 minutes later, I'm back, and as you can see, this stew is so ready. Seeing the oil on top of it, and I've added my onion for more crunchiness and flavor. Ooh, lovelies, this is amazing. Please don't forget to add salt to taste, okay? Oh, this brand of Zomi palm oil has taken my stew to the next level, and I love it. So next in the bowl, I'm adding the stew, and after that, put it in the oven for about 8 minutes more to complete everything. This stew is so simple, but the way I built up the flavors, lovelies, has taken the stew to the next level. Try this and thank me later. So we are back after 5 minutes, and ooh, my house smells so magical. That's the end of making this carrot stew or tomato stew. And ooh, for garnishing, I'm adding some dried herbs. Now food is ready, and I hope you've been inspired. Lovelies, to support your girl, please don't forget to like, share for others to see, and don't forget to comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe. Also, if it's your first time ever seeing my video, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here. So kindly do your girl a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to also smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Once at it, please click on the all option so you don't miss any of my videos, alright? Lovelies, a video of how I grilled my fish will soon be uploaded on the channel, so please go nowhere, sit and stay And as always, be inspired. Ooh, from how I started till now, all I can say is everything is so perfect. Talk of the flavor, talk of the salt content, talk of the aroma. My house is so magical right now. And lovelies, don't just watch the video, okay? Give this a try and thank me later. Don't forget to bring me the feedback by tagging your girl on Instagram or commenting down below my Facebook and YouTube videos. Food is ready and you are all invited. Mmm, yummy, mamma mia. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next one. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Toodles! Peace out.